The construction of China's massive Medog Dam on the Brahmaputra raises serious concerns for India, especially for downstream regions like Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. This isn't just about water flow. China is also building diversion tunnels. This isn't just about water flow. China is also building diversion tunnels which could trigger sudden flash floods or prolonged droughts in India's northeast. The dam sits in a highly earthquake-prone zone, increasing the risk of reservoir-induced seismicity, where the weight of stored water can trigger earthquakes. Indigenous communities living near the Brahmaputra could face displacement, ecological loss, and cultural erosion. With no binding water sharing treaty, limited data transparency, and rising geopolitical tensions, India urgently needs a way forward. So, what's the solution? China has stopped sharing critical hydrological data with India since 2022. India relies on this data to forecast floods in Arunachal, Assam, and even Bangladesh. In 2000, a sudden surge from China caused deadly flooding in Arunachal with zero warning. So, what's the way forward? If China shares real-time data on reservoir capacity, rainfall and glacier melt, water discharge levels, India can issue early flood alerts, evacuate at-risk communities, adjust its own dam gates, like Subhansiri and Dibang. Prepare for seismic stress if water loads increases near fault zone. But right now, India has no binding treaty with China. China is not part of the UN Watercourses Convention. MOUs on data sharing have expired or are pending renewal with no explanation under the RTI Act. Between 2004 and 2021, China did share flood season data for the Brahmaputra and Satluj, but only for a few months. As per India Today report, no data was shared after the year 2022. Since the Doklam standoff, these agreements have weakened with growing mistrust and less cooperation. It's time for India to push for a legally binding year-round data sharing framework, third-party verification of dam safety and discharge schedules, anchoring talks in international law like the UN Convention, BRICS, SCO on transboundary waters. Because when it comes to dam of this scale, silence isn't neutral, it's dangerous. Data can't stop the Medog Dam, but it can stop the next disaster from reaching us unannounced.